How to download your Vrbo service fee invoice PDF. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Vrbo's website. In the website, click on My Trips at the top right corner of your screen. Make sure you're logged into your account, then click on My Trips at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on My Trips, you'll find all your trips here. Select the correct reservation. Then select Payments. Find Tax and Service Fee Invoice. There, you'll find Download Document option. Simply open the PDF when it appears, and after you do that, it will be downloaded. And this is how to download your Vrbo Service Fee Invoice PDF. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.